Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another technical analysis candlestick chart online trading video. In this kind of videos, you see we have weekend. I do not have the OTC market. I get almost often questions about if I can show OTC market trades. Yes, how I trade OTC market. I trade the OTC market like I do trade the normal market. The only difference is that if there is a trend, I will not do reversals. And if if I see that support and resistance is not working, I will not trade reversals at support and resistance in the OTC market. Yes, you have to understand the market condition much more, and you have also adapt much faster to market condition changes. Yes, but any other way, I trade the market OTC, or I traded the market OTC market like I traded the normal market. Yes, because there is no difference. Only you have to be carefully about the market condition. But this is also at the normal market. You have to be aware about the market condition to understand if support and resistance will act as support and resistance and not be broken, and you try to do reversals at it. So that is this one. Yes, and obviously you have to understand those concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market conditions, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. So we see we have the assets are closed another 6 hours and 30 minutes before they open, and that is a time to use for doing some kind of technical analysis and candlestick chart online trading videos, where I'm gonna explain you why I took trades, what you should aware about and care about, yes, before you do a trade, how to read yes, candlestick patterns, yes, chart patterns, yes, and also every kind of indicators and price action at all, yes, because I explain you why I took trades, what I should aware about, where the hints are, yes, what you should care about, yes, to not get in a wrong trade. Yes, and what the tricky part is when I'm talking, for example, for the entry point and all those things. It's difficult if you are in a hurry, if you are, how it's called, hesitated. Yes, you want to do this trade, you have experienced a large, fast movement, and then you trade mostly before you get a good entry point, and then after this you get out of the money by hair or in the last few seconds. That is really emotional. That can handicap you really, because then the emotions will take place. So don't waste time with long explanations. So let's see what's going on here. I have prepared this video, and this is an important one because I have here this kind of market which a lot of traders will face. This is a ranging market. It doesn't look like a ranging market because you see here the 20, the 50, the 100, and all are heading down. Also the Bollinger Bands are heading down, and that looks like a downtrend. Yes, that looks like a downtrend, but the problem is here that the indicators are lagging, and they are telling you what the past was about. The past was a downtrend, yes, and now we see here nothing else, and that is what market is telling you here, ranging market. Yes, you see here ranging market, and in this ranging market we get here a minor uptrend and here a minor downtrend, and we got here reversals at the Bollinger Band, yes, which is particularly for the ranging market, and also here a pullback from the 50 EMA, which was initiating here with a dark cloud cover. You see here a dark cloud cover, the initial part of a downtrend, yes, and now we are here. And you see I already entered here into a trade here before this entry. I entered here on the rejection from this level, from the rejection from the one deviation, because we got here a double testing of this support and resistance level, and then I entered on the rejection from the one deviation. You see a long space into a call, yes, and that was where I have done the explanation about my ebook, and that's the reason why I'm starting the video at this level, because I don't want to show you again the introduction of the ebook, but that was the reason why I entered here. We have a ranging market, and so I'm expecting here the ranging continues. Yes, that is what you should expect after you see here this kind of reversal, this engulfing candle rejection, like I have explained in the ebook. Here we have nothing else than a morning star. This is yes, a morning star, because you see here the closing price, but I will start with the opening price, closing price, yes, of those 4 candles, and then we have here a doji, yes, and this is a dragonfly doji, and that's the reason why I call this complete scenario here nothing else than a morning star. Here engulfing candle, yes, bullish engulfing candle, rejection from this level, like I have explained in the ebook, and after this you can expect an upcoming uptrend. Obviously here in between we got a consolidation area, who knows why, maybe because of this kind of support and resistance level, and that was the market condition here, and that is what you should see before you're gonna trade. Yes, that is the concept. That is what market is telling you. So now I will do play, and then we are going to explain. You see it was in the money by doing this, and I'm prepared. Okay, I entered immediately into a call. I could wait also for the rejection from this round number, which is not a really good round number, yes, but it would be better than nothing, yes. But because this candle is pin bar, yes, with a longer wick, lower shadow, yes, but a pin bar, which is a signal for a good uptrend, yes, that in this kind of market condition of a ranging market, yes, where market behaves in this kind of manner, this kind of candlestick is a clear call, yes, in any kind of way. If you are away from the 2 deviation Bollinger Band and also away from the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, yes, because this candle got a rejection from it, that means that price will, with high probability, not getting again at this level again, yes, because that is what this candlestick is telling you, and because it's a bullish pin bar, I entered immediately into a call expecting that price would go up further. That is like a trend continuation pattern, yes. And to see, we got a rejection here from this round number, the 1.1708, because price reacted to this, yes. But I didn't wait it for it, because this already was a clear sign, because in ranging market you get almost big candles. And that was the reason why I entered immediately, because I was expecting something like this. So, and you see, this looks really nice. There is also not so much movement. We got here a downtrend. We got here a nice downtrend. You see, down, 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 down. And at the end of this downtrend, we got here double bottom. Yes, here double bottom. Here is the neckline. This ranging area was the neckline. Yes, and here you see a double test of this support level. Yes, and that is the concept behind this. Yes, that what the context is telling you. And then I prepare to do a call again. Yes, I wait that price gets down to get a better entry point. I'm not convinced if this will not be a sure short one. Yes, I press the button, wait it again till I get a better entry point. That's what I have explained often. And a rejection from the 20 EMA. I try to get into this trade below the closing price of the previous bullish candle. That's what I'm telling you over and over again in the last videos, yes. And then price is moving up. And if you would do here some kind of Fibonacci level, you would understand that you got here, wait, I have to stop the video else. So if you would put here the Fibonacci level, you see here, okay, wait, you see here, and that is important to understand too, because without doing Fibonacci levels, so we have this area, we have here the 100, yes, we have here the 0, then you can say this is nothing else than, you can choose or the 61.8 Fibonacci level or the 38.2 Fibonacci level, and that would be for, in this case, an area where price would most probably reverse. Yes, but because we are not at this level, I entered here into a call on the rejection, and I tried to get the best possible entry point below the closing price of the previous bullish candle. Yes, if it would be a bearish candle, you should try to close to enter into a trade above the closing price of the previous candle. So that was it already. You have seen that were really nice trades in a ranging market. You see also the distance between the EMAs are far away. That means that the high volume. If you see such kind of nice moving waves, yes, you can trade them easily. You have only to wait for nice candlestick and understanding what kind of minor trend you have. Yes, you see here a minor downtrend based on the bearish engulfing candle. Here we got a morning star like I have explained before, and here we got a dark cloud cover, a pullback from the 50 EMA, and after this we got a bullish engulfing candle again, and then the price would move in this kind of manner. And here at this level, because we got here this touch of this kind of area and the 61.8 Fibonacci level, it would be a clear area to do a reversal trade, yes, and that would be maybe another pullback of here a trade breakout of the 50 of the 20 EMA probably, because this wick is showing selling pressure. Okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. And so I would say stay safe and bye bye.